Hey everyone, I just wanted to say a big Merry Christmas to everybody, and I hope you're all going to have a good New Year. I'm not putting any videos out now for a month, and I thought it was about time I got back in touch with you all. So basically, I've just ran out of time this month to do anything. I've been trying to get some videos out, but the Christmas rush has been crazy this year, and on top of that I had the flu, so I played even more catch up this year. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who has watched my videos. I will be getting right back at it soon. New videos after the new year, and I will be pushing hard then to get cracking. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone, and I'll see you next year. I'm gonna put a little clip now of the Christmas song I did last year, because I've not had time to do one this year, so I thought I might as well send that as well. So thank you guys, and I will see you next year. Merry Christmas everyone. I thought I would sing a song since it's Christmas, and this song means a lot to me because this is the song that me and my dad would always listen to when we were driving home for Christmas on the last day. So here we go. Driving home for Christmas, I can't wait to see those faces. Driving home for Christmas, yeah, get my feet on holy ground, and I'll sing for you, so you can see me when I get through. We'll pass the time away. I'm driving in my car, driving home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas. Top to toe with tailbacks. Yeah, I got red lights on the run, but soon there will be freeways, yeah, your feet on holy ground. So I'll sing to you, that you can see me when I get through, to pass the time away. Driving in my car, driving home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas, with 1,000 memories. I take a look at the driver next to me. He's just the same, just the same. I know that bit's wrong, but I can't remember how it goes. Top to toe with tailbacks. Yeah, I got red lights on the run, but soon there will be freeways, yeah, get my feet on holy ground, and we'll sing this song to pass the time away. Driving in my car, driving home for Chris. Bye.